Hey there, tech explorers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of computer files. Think of a computer file like a container on your computer. Inside this container, you can store all sorts of information. These files can be anything: a school report you're working on, a funny picture you took with your friends, or even your favorite music. Each one is a little package of data carefully stored on your computer's hard drive or solid-state drive. Without files, computers would be like kitchens without jars. Imagine trying to cook a meal with all your ingredients mixed. Files keep everything organized and accessible, so you can find what you need when you need it. So the next time you open a document or play a song on your computer, remember, it's all thanks to the magic of files. Now imagine having thousands of files on your computer. Yikes! It would be a digital disaster to find anything. That's where folders come in. Folders are like the drawers in a filing cabinet. They help you group similar files so you can find them quickly. Just like you wouldn't put your socks in the silverware drawer, you wouldn't save a music file in your documents folder. You can create folders within folders. Think of them like smaller boxes inside bigger ones. This lets you organize your files even more precisely. For example, you could have a photos folder with subfolders for each year, then even further subfolders for different events or trips. Remember, a well-organized computer is a happy computer and a happy user too. So embrace the power of folders and keep your digital life in tip-top shape. Have you ever noticed those little dots and letters at the end of a file's name? That's the file extension. And it's like a label that tells your computer what kind of file it is and how to open it. For example, AA.docs extension tells your computer it's a Microsoft Word document, while JPG means it's a picture. Think of it like this. If you see a box with a picture of a slice of pizza on it, you know what to expect inside, right? There are tons of file extensions out there, each with its own purpose. MP3 for music, PDF for documents that can be viewed but not easily changed, and zip for compressed files, which are like space-saver suitcases for your digital stuff. Understanding file extensions helps you quickly identify what's what on your computer. It's like having a secret code that unlocks the mysteries of your files. Section 4. File systems, the brains behind the storage. Behind the scenes, computers use something called a file system to keep track of all those files and folders. Think of it as the master organizer, making sure everything is stored properly and easily accessible. Two common file systems are NTFS, used in Windows, and APFS, used in macOS. They're like different languages that computers use to manage storage. Don't worry though, you don't need to speak these languages to use your computer. These systems take care of everything from remembering where each file is located to managing permissions which control who can access and modify certain files. It's all about keeping your digital world running smoothly and securely. So next time you save a file, take a moment to appreciate the invisible hard work of the file system. It's the unsung hero of your computer. Section 5. Tips for organizing your digital life. Ready to conquer the clutter and become a file organizing pro? Here are some handy tips to keep your digital life tidy. First, choose descriptive names. Instead of Document 1, try Science Project, Volcanoes. This makes it way easier to find what you're looking for. Second, embrace folders. Create folders for different projects, subjects, or file types. Think of it like sorting your clothes, shirts with shirts, pants with pants. Third, delete duplicates. No one needs 5 copies of the same file. Use a duplicate file finder tool to reclaim some precious storage space. And finally, back up regularly. Accidents happen. Back up your important files to an external hard drive or cloud storage service. It's like having an extra copy of your homework just in case. Remember, a little organization goes a long way. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to a stress-free digital life. Section 6. Conclusion: mastering your files. Congratulations. You've completed our whirlwind tour of the world of computer files. We've covered everything from the basics of what files are to the importance of folders, file extensions, and file systems. Remember, files are the building blocks of your digital world. By understanding how they work and keeping them organized, you'll be well equipped to navigate the ever-expanding digital landscape. So go forth, tech explorers, and conquer your files.